Correlation A is 1, B is -1, C is 0.4, D is 0. What conclusion can be drawn? 76 plus 23.04 plus 23.04, 51.84. Security A and security B have standard deviation 10% and 12% when R is equal to -1. So we can see that the risk is very, very less. Very good morning to my dear students. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram, First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I am going to hand Financial Management for 6th semester, Unit 3, Session 7 goes in favor of B.B.A, Risk and Return with Portfolio Management. So this sentence is most important. What is portfolio management? When I put the money, if you have got 1 lakh, if you put entire 1 lakh in a bank, you may get about, assume that 10% is the interest. You may get 1 lakh 10,000, no, it is risk-free. But there is a diversification. We say, you put the money in different angles. You put the money in the share. You put the money in the bonds. You put the money in the mutual fund. You put the money in other investment. That is called portfolio management, we say. So portfolio management is a diversification of your money. If you have got a risk one side, you have got to compensate another side. Risk and return are compensated. More risk, more return, less risk, less returns are there. So we go with these ideas. Portfolio management is nothing but diversification of your money, your investment in different sides. It may be share, bonds, debenture, or SBI bonds, or mutual fund. That's a portfolio management. So we'll move on now. This is a common formula we are going to use. See that. What's the problem says? Security A and B have standard deviation of 6% and 8%. If we have invested 40% in A, 60% in B, what would be the portfolio risk? Assume that correlation A is 1, B is -1, C is 0.4, D is 0. What conclusion can be drawn? You have gone through the problem. I will repeat. There are security A and B have standard deviation of 6% and 8%. If we invested by 40% A and 60% B, what would be portfolio risk? Not expected risk, portfolio risk. Portfolio risk means weight into standard deviation. They have given the standard deviation, they have given the weight. Then assume that the correlation is 1. So how to do this? I will tell you. Which are the securities are A and B. Their values are here, no. One is 60%, another is 40%. Their values are here, no. Security, we have got A and security B weights. Security A, security B weights. They have given weights. See that one is 60, A 40%, B 60%. Then your standard deviations are, what's your standard deviations are? Here 6% and 8%. 8. Multiply W into standard deviation. So 0.40 into 6 is 2.4. 0.40 into 6. 0.40 into 6. 2.4. 4.8. Add, this is 7.2. This is called portfolio risk. It's called portfolio risk. We have got A, we have got B. So, regarding the portfolio deviation, we have given the weight. You have got a separate formula for that, for the standard deviation or risk. So, this is called weight A, weight B. We say weight A, weight B. What is the formula? I will tell you this slowly, the formula. Weight A into standard deviation 1 square plus weight B into standard deviation 2 square plus 2 into weight A, weight B, standard deviation 1, standard deviation 2 into R. I will repeat, root of weight A whole square, standard deviation 1 whole square plus weight B whole square, standard deviation 2 whole square into plus 2 into weight A, weight B, standard deviation 1, standard deviation 2 into R. So, first is, what's your R is given? Plus 1. I will write the formula. Standard deviation, we can say that WA, weight of A, 0.40. WB is equal to 0.60. So, now, when R is equal to 1, formula, root of W A square, standard deviation 1 square plus W B square, standard deviation 2 square plus 2 into WA, WB, standard deviation A, standard deviation B. This is 1 and 2. We can call this as, this is A, this is B. Standard deviation A, 2 into WA, WB, standard deviation A, standard deviation B into R. What's the formula? Weight A whole square, standard deviation A whole square, weight B whole square, standard deviation B whole square, plus 2 into weight A, weight B, weight A, weight B into R. Slowly we can apply. What's your weight A? 0.4 whole square into, what's your standard deviation of A? 6 whole square plus, what's your weight B? 0.6 whole square into, what's your standard deviation B? 8 plus 2 into 0.40, 0.60, weight A, weight B into 6 into 8, R is 1. See that R value he has given, which we are doing 1. So, formula you must be very careful. This is for 2 securities, weight A whole square, standard deviation A whole square, weight B whole square, standard deviation B whole square, plus 2 into weight A, weight B, standard deviation A, standard deviation B into R. Simplify this. This is 0.4 whole square, 0.4 into 0.4, 0.16 into 6 whole square is 36. 0.6 into 0.6 is 0.36. This is 8 square 64 plus 2 into 0.40 into 0.60 into 6 into 8 into 1. 23.04 is equal to root of 0.16 into 36, 5.76 plus 0.36 into 64, 23.04 plus 23.04 is equal to 5.76 plus 23.04 plus 23.04, 51.84. So standard deviation is equal to 51.84, 7.2%. This is when R is equal to positive 1. Then we'll go to next one. When R is minus 1, when R is minus 1, same formula. What is the first one? W, same, 0.4 whole square into 6 whole square plus second one, 0.6 whole square into 8 whole square plus 2 into 0.4, 2 into 0.4 into 0.6 into 6 into 8 into minus 1. So square of this, same. 4 whole square is 0.16 into 36. This is 0.36 into 64 plus 2 into 0.4 into 0.6 into 6 into 8 into minus 1. 2 into 4 into 0.4 into 0.6 into 6 into 8 into minus. This is minus 23.04. Simplify. This is 0.16 into 36. Same answer here. First one, 5.76. Second one, 23.04 minus 23.04. So this is cancelled out. Root of 5.76. Standard deviation is equal to root of 5.76. 5.76. 2.4%. This is when R is equal to minus 1. Now, third one, this over when R is equal to 0.4. Say is equal to root of same, no? 0.4 whole square into 6 whole square into 0.6 whole square, I think understanding, into 8 whole square plus 2 into 0.4 into 0.6 into 6 into 8 into 0.4. Answer is same. Directly we can write. The answer is 5.76. This one 5.76. Second answer 23.4. Not, this is 23.04. Third one 23.04 into 0.4. This is 5.76 plus 23.04 plus 23.04 into 0.4, 9.216 is equal to, how much will come? 5.76 plus 23.04 plus 9.216, 38 point root of 38.016 root of this 6.165%. This is when R is equal to 0.4. Last one, when R is equal to 0. Root of, directly we can write, 0.4 whole square into 6 whole square, 0.6 whole square into 8 whole square plus 2 into 0.4 into 0.6 into 6 into 8 into 0. Direct answer. So 5.76 plus 23.04. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Add this 5.76 plus 23.04, 5.76 plus 23.04, 28.8 root of this 5.36%. This is 5.36%. So if we compare now, first one 7.2, first one is 7.2, second one 6.5, first one 7.2, second one 2.4, 6. So risk is less when R is 1. You can conclude. Risk portfolio, risk is less when R is equal to R is equal to -1. So this answer you have to write. Same type, we'll move on to second problem, same type of problem. So security A and security B have standard deviation 10% and 12%. If they invest 30% in A, 70% B, what would be portfolio risk? Assume car same is there. So we'll go that. Slowly we can do that. Security A, security B. Then weights 0.30, 0.70. Your standard deviation 10, 12. Portfolio risk. You can go with 0.30 into 10 is equal to 3. 0.70 into 12, 8.4. It is 11.4. This is portfolio risk. Now, risk is there. We'll go that when R is equal to 1, standard deviation square, root of first one, W A square into standard deviation A square plus WB square standard deviation B square plus 2 into WA WB weight of A, weight of B, standard deviation of A, standard deviation of B into R. Slowly. What's your WA weight? 0.3 square. What is A? 10 square. 0.7 square. B, 12 square plus 2 into 0.30 weight of A into 0.70 weight of B, standard deviation of A 10 into 12, R is 1. Root of 0.30 whole square, 0.30 into 0.30, 0.09 into 10 square is 100. 0.7 into 0.7, 0.49. This is 0.3 into 0.3. This is 0.7 into 0.7, 0.49. This is 144 plus 2 into 0.30 into 0.70 into 10 into 12, 50.04. This is 10, this is 100 into 0.09, this is 9, 144 into 0.49, 144 into 0.49, 70.56 plus 50.4, 70.56 plus 9 plus 50.4, 129. This is standard deviation is equal to 129.96. Root of this 11.4 percentage. This is when R is equal to 1. When R is equal to -1, directly we can apply. Same it will come. 0.09 into 100. Same figure plus 0.49 into 144 plus last number only change. 2 into 0.30 into 0.70 into 10 into 12 into -1. This is 9 plus 70.56. This becomes minus 50.4. Add. This is 70.56 plus 9 minus 50.4, 29.16. Standard 29.16. Root of this 5.4 percentage. This is when R is equal to -1. What is next one? When R is equal to 0.4. When R is equal to 0.4. Same, directly we can apply. Same thing, only R will change. Here, 9.09, if you want, 0.09 into 100 plus 0.49 into 144 plus 2 into 0.30, 0.70, then 10, first is 10, then into 12, weight of A, weight of B, standard into 0.4. This remains same. 0.9 into, this is 9 plus this is 9. This is 70.56. If you want, I can repeat once again. This is 0.49 into 144, 70.56, 70.56 plus this one, 2 into 0.30 into 0.70 into 10 into 12 into 0.4, 20.16. Add to this 20.16 plus 70.56 56 plus 9, 99.72 is equal to standard deviation 9.98 percentage. This is in 0.4. Last one, when it's 0. When R is equal to 0. Same answer. First one, same, 9 will come. Second one, 70.56, same answer will come. This is any multiplied by 0 is, this is 0. Add, same answer, that's why I took the direct answer. So, 9 plus 70.56, 79.56, root of this 8.92 percentage when R is equal to 0. So we can assume that, what is the first one? 11.4. Second one, 5.4. 9.98. 8. No. So portfolio risk is very less when R is equal to -1. This is the conclusion. I have taken the same answer because same figure has been plotted. Only this will change. This is this. When R is equal to so, same answer I have put, only this will come 0. Root of 79.56 is 8.92. If you see that standard deviation for R 11.4, when R is -1, 5.4, this is 9.8. So it's so which is less here? So portfolio risk is very, very less when R is equal to -1. So we can see that the risk is very, very less. So I think we have solved the 4 problems. I think you have followed that. So in the portfolio management, the law says no standard deviation root of WA whole square, standard deviation A whole square plus WB whole square, standard B whole square plus 2 into weight of A, weight of B, standard deviation of 1, standard deviation of 2 plus 2 into, how to repeat? Weight of A whole square, standard deviation A whole square plus weight of B whole square, standard deviation B whole square plus 2 into weight of A, weight of B, standard deviation of A, standard deviation B into R root. If you remove the root, we can find the answer. Hope you understand this. We'll meet in the next class with another portfolio management problem. Till then, goodbye.